Hello everybody, this is Martin with 95 Arrow Boy. Today is Thursday, the 7th of October, 2021. I'm going to take my car in to the muffler shop again. Not because there was something wrong with it. Okay, here's a small clip of what it sounds like with the aftermarket mufflers. Factory catalytic converters are still there. They just Flowmaster. Hey YouTube, it's Martin here. I'm here in my 1999 Ford Crown Victoria Police Interceptor. It's been decommissioned from local PD to being a taxi cab, which I now own, but I'm still with the company and part-time employment. This particular GoPro you're on is a brand new one. I put a old memory card in. Apparently that got corrupted, and I was only able to record like 19-20 seconds worth, and the memory card would shut the GoPro off, which the two previous videos that I have that I tried recording will be on this video. But the idea is I took this car into in the past to have mufflers put on, for which were flowmasters. School bus. But didn't really like the current sound of it. It was still quiet, and I didn't care for the performance. Kind of felt kind of laggy. So I went to the muffler shop the day I tried attempting to video, which the GoPro was not happy with the memory card. But I have a brand new memory card in this, so I can go a little longer. But because of that memory card corruption, I couldn't record anything more after the muffler shop. But I went from the factory 2-inch from the exhaust mufflers back to the 2 1/4 of the same size of the muffler back, with some chrome tippies on each side, which kind of pricey, but I wanted it, so I figured, okay, what the hell. The motor does need a tune-up kit, and I was wanting OEM coils and plugs, but they're pretty pricey for all 8 of them, and I don't have that much, especially with the pandemic money situation going bye-bye. So yeah, I'm gonna kill it right here and then restart a new video of what's under the car, and then a sound. Now I'll start it up and let you listen to it. Alright. Alright, here's the, as you can see, you got the chrome tips. I don't know if you can see that very well, but it went under the axle. There's the chrome tips I talked to you about. Over here, same thing. So Hopefully that stays. No. Alright, I'll give you a startup of this. Remember, it needs a tune-up, and I know this. Not too loud, too obnoxious, but I do have the rumble, which is what I wanted. For some reason, the high idle does not want to pick up on a cold start. Being the next cop car, I have no idea. But I don't know. If you got any ideas, let me know in the comments to see maybe why the high idle don't work. So, I'll give you a quick couple of revs. Alright, folks. Thanks for watching. Subscribe, comment, hit that notification bell, and hope you liked the video. Be safe, be smart, call a sober driver, call even a taxi cab. Later. Alright, folks. That will conclude this video. That it's been a while since I've been on YouTube. But yeah, I got a lot of things going on. It's kind of difficult to keep up with everything. Trying to get my cab up and working. I've been doing a little editing with it. But yeah, it's been a couple of days from the time I started recording on the day I was going to the muffler shop, you know, because of the memory card corruption thing. And then a couple of days later,
Commander, you've received a new message at your private terminal.
After getting the upgrades of the 2-inch exhaust from the back of the muffler to the back of the car was replaced by 2 1/4 and a 3-inch chrome tips. That I didn't say in the video, but the throttle response is quicker. I do have the little rumble, but at the same time, I'm still trying to find out why the car will not high idle when the motor is cold. I'm thinking either A, the mass airflow sensor is bad, or the idle control valve is bad. But when you do unplug it, it does throw the code engine light when you disconnect it while it's running. The same thing with the mass airflow sensor. There's no RPM change in that, which I know it should, but we'll see what happens when I'm diagnosing other things later on than that. But like I said, subscribe, like, hit that notification bell, and for when I do more. I still have the golf cart, hasn't been stretched yet. Like I said, I've got a lot of things to do off time. See, what else was I gonna say? Yeah, I lose track of thought. Be safe, be smart, call a sober driver, even call a taxi cab. We're still out there, even though Uber, I don't even want to get into it. But peace.